Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a VAT calculator form in WordPress with Bitform. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose a blank form template and give your form a meaningful name. Now, add the necessary fields from the left sidebar into the form builder and customize them according to your needs. Once you have added all the necessary fields and configured them properly, navigate to the Settings section and select the Conditional Logics tab. Then click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Now, let's set up the conditional logic that will automatically calculate the VAT amount when the correct data is entered into the form. Otherwise, if any required condition is not met, the calculation will not work accurately, so make sure all your logic settings are correct. Next, click on the Update button and copy the shortcode. Now go to your desired page and paste the shortcode into a shortcode block. Finally, click on the Publish button and your VAT calculator form is ready to use. That's how you can easily create a fully functional VAT calculator form in WordPress using Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.